Hi mga bossing, ngayon tuturuan ko kayo ng tatlong tips na dapat nyong malaman sa SEAL-M. Una guys, guild. Why should we join guild? I show you why. Like this guys, we can earn guild coin and guild contribution score. Let's check in guys. Then we have donate here. Mamaya tayo guys magdo-donate guys. Punta muna tayo dito sa guild content. Then mission. Bago kayo guys mag-donate doon, pisin nyo muna tong mission na nasa guild donation para magsabay-sabay na siya. Dito lang natin magmamax donation lang tayo dito. Tas dito guys, balik ulit tayo sa mission. Makakuha tayo dito ng guild donation. Saan nga ba nating magagamit tong guild coins guys? Ngayon guys, tuturo ko sa inyo kung saan nyo to magagamit. Back lang tayo guys, sabay punta tayo dito sa shop. Dito sa general product, then dito sa guild guys. Nakuha ko na nga pala tong akin guys. Kinuha ko dito costume pickup summon, then pet pickup summon ticket. Binili ko na pala to guys, kaya naka-sold out na. Lagi nyo lang tong gawin, daily login guys. Lagi nyo lang siya kunin, daily kasi siya nagre-reset. Yun lang guys. Second guys is skills. Let's go to the skills. Then this crop. I show you how to crop this soul of the agent mage. Let's go to Albert. Let's go to Albert. Then let's go to this potion. Then this item, noble successor soul lamp. How to get this item? Marvelous sprayer and magic crystal. I show you. And this collector coin. Let's go to general goods market to buy the one item. This marvelous, you can buy one here. Then the other item is, let's check here in the request board. This iris, you can buy here. Let's scroll. Magic crystal, you need 5 this. Record acquired. Then the other item is, let's check where it's this. Here, you need to complete this to earn collector coin. Then let's back to Albert to crop the item. Let's scrap this noble successor soul lamp. Success. Then mail. No. In back bag. Let's use this. Oh, nice. We have soul of the ancient mage. Then let's open the skill. Oh, you need level 41 guys. That's it guys. Why do we need to refine our equipment? I show you why. Let's go to equipment refining. Then this, you can gain extra stats from like this, max life 1356 to 1548 and max mana 300. Same guys. Here are my tips. If your equipment is 10 plus, you need to acquire this equipment destruction protection crystal guys. You know why? Because if hindi ito success, your helmet is gonna vanish, gonna destroy. Kaya pag level 10 ka na, you need this. Kaya pag siya destroy, mawawala tong item na to. Pero pag level 1 to 9 naman guys, okay lang kahit hindi mo siya gamitin dito. Kasi magiging level 7 lang to. Let's try guys kung magiging level 7 lang to. Ayun guys, so magiging level 7 lang siya. Pero pag 10 naman yung gagamitin mo dito, pag level 10 naman guys, gagawin mo level 11. Pag hindi siya naging level 11, hindi rin siya magiging level 9 kasi mawawala tong item na to. Kaya kailangan mo nitong equipment destruction protection crystal kung ka dito, enhance to level 11. Yun lang guys.